Introducing dishwasher automation.
Smart dishwashers are transforming kitchen routines with advanced automation. These appliances go beyond basic cleaning by using sensors, scheduling functions, and mobile connectivity to optimize performance. In this explainer, discover how these technologies work together to boost both cleaning efficiency and convenience for modern households.
Sensors, the brains behind smart cleaning.
Sensors inside smart dishwashers detect key factors like water temperature, soil levels, and load size. For example, turbidity sensors analyze how dirty the water is, letting the machine adjust wash intensity and cycle duration. This helps save water and energy while ensuring your dishes come out cleaner and with less guesswork.
Automated scheduling for convenience.
With automated scheduling, users can set when their dishwasher runs, whether that means starting during off-peak energy hours or after a family meal. Built-in timers and delay start features empower households to choose the most convenient or efficient cleaning times, reducing energy costs and fitting better into busy routines.
Remote monitoring and control.
Remote monitoring lets users connect to their dishwasher through smartphones or smart home systems. Using dedicated apps, you can receive alerts, start or stop cycles, and even check maintenance needs from anywhere. This real-time control makes it easier to keep track of the appliance and address issues promptly.
Bringing it all together, the automated kitchen.
By combining sensors, scheduling, and remote monitoring, smart dishwashers deliver an integrated experience. Tasks that once required supervision now run seamlessly, saving time and resources. These innovations not only improve cleaning results, but also help make daily kitchen chores more efficient and stress-free.